Welcome to the Introduction to Microsoft Word Review tab, Part 8 of 9 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video Index, Proofing tab. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the website YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size, as you see below. When the window is maximized, it fills the entire screen, and the Maximize Restore Down button changes to double squares. You can adjust the width and the height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from a normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top, blue arrow, and holding down the left mouse button. Then drag it to the new location and release the mouse button.
If you do not have Microsoft Word on your computer and you're using Windows operating system, you could use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad.
After adjusting the first window, open the second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in the video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right side and bottom scroll sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on one computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. Review tab. In this video, we are going to explore the Review tab. If you haven't already opened your Microsoft Word application, please do so now. Select the blank document. After the application opens, please click the Review tab. Review tab. Great features on this tab. Review tab, Proofing Group. Starts with spelling and grammar check, which we set before we start the document, so a misspelled word would be underlined in red. It also has a thesaurus and word count. Click below any existing text and hit Enter a few times to make a space. Change the font to 18. Type, "My dog has a red hat." Click on the book with the X at the bottom left of the status bar. Dialog box will open that allows you to correct the words and shows you definitions of the words. Microsoft Word will highlight the word it believes is correct. Just click Change. Or right mouse click on the word. A list will open, then click on the correctly spelled word. Click on the thesaurus and enter the word high in the search box, clicking the magnifying glass. You will never be at a loss for words with this feature. It's great when you're trying to write about an event, story, resume, etc. Word count is just that. Tells you how many pages, words, characters, etc. the document contains. This concludes the Introduction to Microsoft Word Review tab, Part 8 of 9 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 8. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining Part 9 of Microsoft Word. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.